Hello everybody, this is me Simran Kapoor and today I have a very interesting topic for y'all. Yes, I'm going to be talking about IPL. All the boys might be very happy because I've picked something so relatable to them. I always keep doing these makeup hacks and fashion hacks and all of them are so sweet. I love you all. Love you all the boys because y'all sit through my entire video, all my live videos, and then y'all are also complimenting me and saying, "Ma'am, आप makeup के बिना ज़्यादा अच्छी दिखती है." So I thought I should give it up to all of y'all and talk about IPL. And IPL is in its 10th season, as you all know. I cannot get the song out of my head. It's just everywhere, you know. What's the song? Ye 10 saal aapke naam. So it just keeps playing in my head over and over again, and I just feel like most of y'all, not me, I just feel old right now, but like most of y'all, IPL is also giving its board exams. The pressure is building up, guys. And talking about performance pressure, I have noticed that all the cricketers don't perform when their love interest is in the stadium. That's crazy because whenever Anushka Sharma is in the stadium, Virat does not perform. Virat, where are you performing? Tell me, where is all the performance happening? I think Virat needs to start wearing those horse blinds, or Anushka should just come in disguise whenever she enters the stadium. I'm going to see what you guys are commenting. Guys, y'all can keep commenting. You can keep asking me questions and we can keep talking. I think that's going to keep this conversation going. Hello Rajiv, hi Ahmed, hi Deepak, hello, hi, how are you? Wow, your favorite actor. My favorite actor is Akshay Kumar. Like, I love him. He's like, he can do comedy, he can do action, he can do everything. So yeah, for me it's Akshay Kumar. But I think girls really like cricketers. Have you noticed that girls really like guys into sports? But when their own husband or boyfriend is watching cricket on TV, they get livid, like they get mad. I remember 2 years back, I was dating this guy and I got ready nicely in a nice black color dress and I just asked him how am I looking, and he just yelled chakka because he was watching a match. So that was very funny, and then we had an argument and 2 years later things didn't go well. So here I'm sitting and talking about IPL. Which team has the best chance to win IPL this year? I feel Mumbai Indians. Amchi Mumbai. I'm very patriotic that way. And one of my friends is in the Mumbai Indians team. His name is Siddesh Lad. So yeah, for me it's always going to be Mumbai Indians. Every year I'm just like supporting them. Hi Abdul. Hello. Hi Kapil. How are you? My favorite cricketer. See, I'll tell you with cricketers, the best performance that cricketers have given till date has been in advertisements. So for me, it has to be Virat Kohli. He's like the dream guy. Manyavar ad, he's there. Dandruff shampoo, he's selling it. So yeah, for me, it's Virat Kohli. I watch him in advertisements more. You are beautiful. Thank you so much, Manoj. Thank you. Hi, Chandan. How are you? Have you noticed the trend that every cricketer is hooking up with someone in Bollywood? There is some connection between cricket and Bollywood that I fail to understand. So guys, if you know what the connection is, you need to write to me and tell me how this happens, like what is going on. It started with Nawab Patodi Khan. He got married to Sharmila Tagore, and then Virat and Anushka have this breakup, patch up thing going on. I don't know what's true anymore. I mean, you know what I feel? Like the next time Virat needs to break up with Anushka, he should just throw 6 balls at her and say it's over. That was a very lame joke, but yeah. Then there was something going on between Yuvraj and Kim Sharma, and then I don't know what happened exactly. And Harbhajan got married to Geeta Basra. So yeah, it's crazy. Guys, if you had to hook up with a cricketer or with a Bollywood celebrity, who would it be and why? Let me know, and then I can give my very wise comments on that. Favorite actress? I really like Priyanka Chopra. I think she's doing a phenomenal job at whatever she's doing right now, and I admire her for her spirit and the way she has changed the perception of how people look at women in movies. So I really adore her. Hi Simran, what do you notice first in the guy? What I notice first in a guy? I really like guys who are very humble. You know, no matter who you are, what you are, you need to be humble. And of course, I love a guy with a good sense of humor. So I see if the guy can just crack jokes and make me laugh, because yeah, that's going to keep me happy. Your favorite cricketer in terms of cricketing talent? See, I am not someone who knows a lot about cricket, being very honest, okay? So for me, cricketing talent goes vice versa with Sachin Tendulkar. So for me, yeah, he'll always be the person you look up to when you speak about cricket. With Sushmita Sen, I didn't get that. Your name is so cute, I loved your voice. Thank you so much, Chandan. Thank you. I love you too, वैसे. Rahid is here. Hi Rahid. Favorite actress? Yeah, I already told you that. Cute. Hi Anil. Thank you. My favorite team, I already told you all. Mumbai Indians. So guys, I have a very special guest and a very dear friend of mine right here with me in the studio, and I have kept it a surprise for so long because yeah, it's just very exciting for me. I'm going to call him right now to this wonderful couch. His name is Harmeet Singh, guys. He's coming live with me right now. That's him.
Hi guys.
Hello. See, he's here. You can ask him whatever questions you want. I really think that, you know, Harmeet and I started out together when I was trying to make something out of my career, and he was like this big ass cricketer. And the funny thing is, I always thought I'll be more viral with the work I do, because I'm a YouTuber, I go live, I do stuff, and you know, he has taken away all my limelight. What is up? Like, all the publicity is just gone. I need to drive an aircraft into a building. Like, even if I do that, I won't be as viral as you are today. Like, what is up, man? So basically, I have stopped competing with him only when it comes to getting all the publicity. Just tell me, what am I supposed to do, Harmeet?
See, basically, you have to be in the limelight and around all the fame, and you know, people should notice you. So that's why I'm
chilling with him nowadays, because I have to be in the limelight with all the famous people. So guys, if you have any questions for Harmeet, feel free to ask him anything and everything. You seem to have a nice sense of humor. Good, see me. Which is your favorite movie till date? My favorite movies keep on changing, okay? I don't have a favorite movie. But if I have to say one movie, I'll say KTG. It's like, he knows. I can like literally narrate the whole movie by heart, and he hates me for it. Who is your crush? All my crushes get crushed very easily, so I don't keep any crushes anymore. Favorite Hollywood actor? Brad Pitt. Always. Brad Pitt is hot. Looking beautiful, thank you. Question for Harmeet. What would you call a wicket keeper in Hindi? I have no idea.
Dastane keeper is what in Hindi?
Rakhna.
दस्ताने रखने वाला.
रखने वाला. दस्ताने का पहरेदार.
पहरेदार.
IPL needs to be shorter, don't you think? Don't you think it's already very short? Like,
yeah.
और कितना short होगा यार?
It can't be a T10 anymore.
So Harmeet, are you following the IPL this year?
Kind of, yeah. But then I'm busy with my training as well. But I did see a few very crunch games between KKR and Mumbai, and one or two more games. I think SRH and Pune.
Wow.
So yeah, they're doing well actually. Yeah. Batting is actually clicking for everybody. And I think bowling needs to tighten up for all the teams. So I should come back next year.
Yeah, you will. I'm pretty sure that's going to happen. And which team are you supporting? I don't know this, but
See, basically, when I used to play, I used to support my team, Rajasthan Royals. But then now, this year, of course, Mumbai Indians, because of my very dear friend Siddesh, and also because I am a Mumbaiker from heart, and that's how Mumbai this year. And also because they have a good team
Yes.
to win.
That they do. They always have a good team. Harmeet want to see you play cricket. You're looking
Yes.
fit. Okay, thank you. So,
They're
Harmeet.
talking about me.
No, they're talking about me. That's what I thought. They're talking about you. You're looking fit. I was like, and then they were like crazy style of talking. Then it has to be me. You don't have a crazy style of talking.
I have, but off camera. Right?
Oh,
I have
really?
to maintain my image.
So, Harmeet, I want to ask you this. If you're dating someone, like hypothetically, I don't know if you are, but if you are dating someone, doesn't that girlfriend get very pissed off because you're so completely into cricket and like always talking about cricket, breathing cricket, playing cricket? You know, it kind of gets irritating because I'm your friend and it gets irritating for me also. So I cannot imagine how it is to be a cricketer's girlfriend.
See, basically, I've had all my breakups because of my cricket. So,
Honest.
And now, right now, I keep cricket as my girlfriend, and I've let go on all of my girls, whoever I had. But the last breakup I had was, you know her also. So, so it was basically because I couldn't give much time because of my game, my training, everything. I go in the morning, and after this interview also I have to go for practice. Then, you know, I end up coming home at around 8:30 in the evening when I leave in the morning at 7. So that's how it is with me. But with all the cricketers, basically.
Yeah,
So if you can manage that time,
Yeah, it's very difficult.
very difficult.
Basically,
So basically,
even I know that. Like,
yeah, we are growing up and we want to, you know,
True.
excel
true,
in our
true.
lives.
Yeah, it's very difficult
So,
because
yeah.
I remember like I used to keep contacting him to meet me, and he's like, I'm
No, that's
busy.
wrong.
Hey.
That's wrong. She doesn't pick my calls.
Shut up. You answer my calls, but you always have some other plan of yours going on. Well done, guys. Thank you, Alok. What is your favorite song? My favorite song. My favorite song also keeps changing what to do.
Yeah, that is.
Which is, yeah, he
Every
knows
time.
which is my favorite song.
No,
Harmeet.
I don't know. Uchi hai building.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Close enough. That is one of my favorite
Yeah.
songs. Harmeet,
Salman
who's your
Khan.
favorite cricketer? I was just going to ask you this.
Favorite cricketer, that also keeps changing with me. But then right now I have Virat as one of the very followed idols, I would say, because I follow him because of his discipline and all that. And then cricketing wise, then of course Dhoni and UV Paji, all these guys. UV Paji because of course of his flamboyance and the way he keeps up, and every comeback he makes.
He's
Won 3
phenomenal.
World Cups
True.
for India. I can't think of anyone else as an idol when he is around. Still playing.
Yeah, but even I have to admire Virat's discipline.
Yeah.
Even though he's rated as the most likable cricketer. You know,
Yeah.
in today's date, he's #1 as the most likable cricketer. Everyone really likes him. And it's very difficult to be that public also and also concentrate on your game. It's very difficult to
Yeah.
excel in both fields, you know, be good in
Basically,
ads and then do
In
cricket
this era,
that well.
I'm talking about, because earlier it was maybe a little bit easier because
Yeah.
there was not much glamour, not much TV as such. And right now, the cricket is so much. He's playing every week, every day. And right now, of course, he got injured, so he got a break. But then Indian team has played throughout the year, so
True.
And find time for training and then play again. And you know,
It's
the amount of muscle
hectic.
loss you get
True,
in a
it's
year.
really hectic. And I
It's very
also
hectic,
heard
yeah.
this one thing, I don't know how true it is, but one of my friends ka group had gone for a cricket match and Virat was playing there and he was really tired. You know, after playing a game, you are very tired. He came back to his hotel and these guys were living in the same hotel. So they said when he came back, everyone was trying to take his autograph. and he was literally like, you know, spending time with them, giving his autographs, clicking pictures with them. He literally spent 1 hour after the game doing that. So that is very humble, I feel.
Yeah.
You know, that's why he is the most likable.
That's why I think
cricketer.
all the cricketers are right now, because you know, you learn over the years how life is. You know, everybody has come from a very middle class family, and like,
True.
you know, you get the fame, and you know how it feels to be on the other side of the stadium. So I think all the cricketers are like this. I hardly know anyone who will not who will say no for a photograph or an autograph, anything.
Yeah, he clicks photos with me all the time. So I know he'll click photos with everyone. It's very funny whenever we go out with Harmeet, whenever I go out with him. So we have this thing where we go and embarrass him. We start going and telling all the waiters and everyone that he's in IPL and he's a cricketer and give us a discount. And he keeps looking at us like, you know, you're ruining my name, stop it.
Yeah, because I cannot have fun then.
You know, literally we ask for discounts. That's what we do. We keep asking
No,
for discounts. We take his name and we ask
She asks for discounts. I don't.
आपको हरमीत नहीं पता, आप हरमीत को नहीं जानते.
And because of you, wherever I go, people ask me, where is that madam with you?
Yeah, वो discount वाली madam कहाँ गई? Okay, I'm going to take in all your questions right now, and then I will come back to you and ask you a few more of my questions that I have never been able to ask him. Now I have the space to ask you everything I want, put you in spot. What do you think about road trips? I love road trips. He is a very good driver. He is driving, I don't know where nowadays.
But I'm a very safe driver, you know that.
Yeah, I was shocked because he's such a safe driver. Harmeet can drive anytime, anywhere with his eyes closed, even if you blindfold him. And I was like,
And I know.
कहाँ चला रहे हो आप गाड़ी? आप कहाँ हो? Platform? कौन से platform पे पहुँच गई आपकी गाड़ी?
I saved India from a terrorist attack actually.
Yeah.
Because
I think that's what he was doing.
any other car could have gone in, you know, anything could have happened.
Yeah. So
That's
when
how
Harmeet, and I just met Harmeet, had told me when he was a kid he wanted to get into the army
Yeah.
and
Army
become
and,
a soldier.
also-
So yeah.
Also, I liked football a lot.
Yeah,
So basically, I wanted to do something for the country. Yeah, I'm a very patriotic person.
Yeah. You are looking fit and crazy style of talking. Please answer. Who is your favorite cricketer in terms of look? Anderson, Kohli, Brody. Kohli? Who's your favorite? Because I don't know who.
The other two.
I don't know who this comment is for. You're looking fit, maybe talking about your crazy style of talking me. So, yeah.
Let's go for Kohli. Let's be Indian now.
Yeah, let's go for Kohli.
Let's be brown.
I saw this very funny, what's it called, funny image on Google where it was written that if you what? Wait, what was it? Yeah, if you win a match against India, we will not let you play in IPL next year. So I found that very funny. Harmeet, what is Hindi of cricket? All this we don't know. It's called Lagan. Hindi of cricket is called Lagan. Okay, Lagan dekhna.
I'm taking my grammar test.
Yeah, I really what is Hindi? What is the Hindi of this, that? Harmeet, how is it to play with Vaughan and against Sachin?
Vaughan, of course, he's a master of spin. But Sachin, he's something different. He's like a mentor to us. And whenever we play Ranji Trophy for Bombay, he comes and talks, and he's crazy about cricket. And even after his retirement, he'll make sure he'll come to our practices and you know, have a meeting with all the bowlers and the batsmen as well. Batsmen, of course, you expect with him, but then with bowlers, he you know, he'll have a special talk and you know, give us those few guidelines, you know, how it works and how much effort you have to keep in different sessions of the play. And you know, someone coming from someone like Sachin, it makes a great difference before the season, and then you know, it makes you feel much more motivated.
It makes you feel so motivated. I
And talking about Vaughan is someone like, you know, he plays one IPL and then comes back to another IPL and bowls that leg spin of his without any practice. So he's one of a kind, and you know, would like to become something like him one day.
So Tit Shah has asked you a very, very important question. Like, this is the most important question of the live stream. Do you know why Katappa killed Bahubali?
That's for you.
That's for you. I have no idea. This we'll have to watch in Bahubali 2.
Yeah.
Let's see the conclusion and then I will get back to you very soon on this. Would you like to go out on a date with me? So I don't know if this is for you or for me, but it comes from Kumar Sonu. So yeah.
Hopefully it's for you.
I would surely go out on a date with you. Just tell me when and where, and if there's free food, I am coming for sure. Most prized wicket. Sohail Nikam, of course, is asking you.
Yeah, most prized wicket. I think Ross Taylor with the one wicket I got in IPL. Hopefully
Yeah,
I'll get
of course,
more.
that was like the
Hopefully I'll
biggest stepping stone for him, because I remember all of us were calling him up and were like, oh my god, this is crazy, you just took a wicket. Not in that voice, of course, but yeah. Kejriwal or Modi? Modi, obviously. I mean, for me, अच्छे दिन आ गए हैं, I think. बहुत अच्छे दिन आ गए हैं. Digital India is happening. So yeah, and I am my bread and butter is digital, so it has to be Modi for me. Favorite singer?
Yours.
I know yours.
So you say yours.
Arijit Singh for me, and I think for you also. Last time I met him, it was Arijit Singh, but now he doesn't meet me anymore, so I don't know if it's changed.
She doesn't meet me.
See, I'm just taunting you
become
very.
famous with her
I am
comedy
taunting you very
videos and-
subtly over here. Cutie pie of the year, you just beat Disha according to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Disha gave a very nice performance in the IPL welcome, the grand opening. So yeah, if I can beat her, then something is happening.
Quite a compliment.
Sohail Nikam is asking, Harmeet, have you watched the trailer of Sachin? What do you think about it? Have you?
No, actually I did
I
not.
haven't either, unfortunately.
I still have to.
But after this live session, I know that we are both going to sit and we are going
give
to
you a comment on
watch,
that.
and then yeah, we will get back to you on that. Okay, what kinds of fish you most like? He hates seafood.
Yeah.
Me, I love all kinds of seafood.
I can eat
so
fish
yeah.
actually. Sushi I don't
You
like.
do?
I can eat fish.
But
I
you don't like it.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to go out with Harmeet. Like whenever we go out, the only thing he takes me to is an Indian restaurant and makes me have butter chicken all the time.
No, not butter chicken. I
हाँ,
take you to Jai
मतलब-
Jawan
Yeah, see?
for my.
That's his favorite place.
Yeah. You get seafood also there, no?
Yeah.
So
The
then-
seafood is damn good. Okay, let's not talk about that because then I'll just keep talking about food. Harmeet, what's your favorite film and what's your favorite Hollywood actress?
See, actress. My actress will be Bollywood because I like Alia, and
Favorite
what's the name? Film also keeps changing.
Like me.
And earlier I used to not like Akshay Kumar, but then
After meeting me and after my
Yeah.
influence. This has happened to a
and
lot
then
of people.
I watched it very carefully, na. And then
Then he started, "ये कैसे
Yeah.
इशारे कर रहे हो तुम? ऐसे उठाओगे उसके मामा को?"
but yeah, it's really good, man.
So actually, I was going to ask you this question since I'm talking about Bollywood and IPL today, and I'm talking about all these cricketers hooking up or whatever, getting hitched if you all don't like the word hooking up with Bollywood actresses. So मेरे दिमाग में एक theory थी that since these guys are performing in advertisements now, they're just like trying to be with Bollywood actresses so that they can sabotage their careers and steal all the ads from them. That's my theory. So if you had to date a Bollywood actress, or if you had to take a Bollywood actress out on a date, who would it be and why?
That's a very bad question.
Why is it a bad question? What's
So
wrong
I
with
thought you'll
going on a date?
ask me a question which will relate for a connection between why is it happening between.
That also I'll ask you, na? But first I need to know who would you take. You asked
I
me,
told you
I'll
my
give you
favorite-
a list
I
of
told
10
you my-
cricketers I'll take on a date.
No.
You just have to make me meet them, then I'll take them.
I'll make you meet them tomorrow.
Done.
Maybe today also. So, but I told you my favorite actress Alia. So I'll take Alia out on a date, and of course because right now she's the only one who is of my age.
And also because if you ask any question to Alia about cricket, she won't know. So she'll just be like,
Yeah, I love girls who doesn't who don't
know
talk
anything.
about cricket.
Sorted. So Alia, if you're listening, just
No.
in case
I
there
have
is
contact to reach Alia.
sorted. Then what do you need in life? Will Virat ever break Sachin's record? I think they're too different. I mean,
Yeah,
they're
of
just
course.
too different. It's like saying, can oranges ever beat apples? They're just two different fruits. You cannot really.
Yeah, of course. And during Sachin's time, there was not much cricket also. No? And they used to play.
Yeah.
They used to play very less cricket that time, and then in a calendar year they play maybe 10 to 12 test matches. Right now we are playing a lot of test matches and a lot of test series around the world. And just if you see the Indian home season of us, it was some 12 to 16 test matches we played in the last 6 months. So we have a lot of games also to play, and there's a lot of
Yeah, true.
you know, in a
And
very
there's
short span.
Too much competition. Okay, so I'm going to take one more question before I let Harmeet go because he has to go for practice and he's going to kill me if I make him sit here for a longer time. Chandan Paul has asked you to sing a song.
Hey, please.
Yeah, seriously.
No
Come
song.
on, yeah.
No
Sing
song, please.
Champion.
No song, please.
Come on. Actually, he's
I'll do
please
anything
sing
but
a
not
song,
song.
both of you. So I'll
Ah,
just put
you
it on
sing.
him like. Go for it. Sing one song.
You sing na your favorite song.
Which?
ऊंची है building.
ऊंची है बिल्डिंग लिफ्ट तेरी
तेरी
बंद
बंद
है
है,
कैसे मैं आऊं दिल
दिल
रज़ामंद
रज़ामंद
है.
Thank
That's
you.
it. Thank you so much, Harmeet, for joining
Thank you, Simran, for
me.
calling me. Bye, guys.
And yeah, if you want to say something to
No, thank
everyone
you.
watching
Thank
this.
you, Simran, for calling me here, and then, of course, and
Thank you for meeting me.
yeah.
See, now I have to meet him, I have to
meeting
do
you
all
on
these
Facebook
things.
Live, actually.
Thank you, Harmeet. Thank you so much. See you.
See you. Bye.
So yeah, guys, that was Harmeet Singh for us. Actually, he gave me a lot of insight on IPL. Koi Mui, my favorite site in Bollywood Gupshup. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mohanjodaro. It is my favorite site also. For all the Bollywood inside scoop I get from Koi Mui. So it's a lot of fun. You're adorable. Thank you, Rajiv. Who is your favorite hero? ये सब मैंने बता दिया ना. You guys have to tell me who is your favorite actress, who you would like to take out on a date, or if you're a girl, who's your favorite cricketer? Or if you want to take a cricketer out on a date, I have no issues. Let me know and I will tell you if that's a good idea or not. Lagan, very funny. Harmeet and Simran dance like Tamma Tamma. No, Harmeet's left, so yeah, I cannot dance like Tamma Tamma. What's your comment on half girlfriend? I wish there was a full girlfriend. The trailer was nice though. Facebook or YouTube? Facebook all the way, because you can. Because now what has happened is when I go on Facebook, I don't know how to get off it. Like I look at a video and it just starts playing automatically, and then there's another video, another video, another video, and it's a lot of entertainment. So yeah, for me, Facebook. Best director, both. I like Rajkumar Hirani. I think he's amazing because he takes a lot of real life situations and, you know, creates lovely stories out of them. So that one would be for me. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for all your comments, all the love that you all have poured. I'm just trying to read more comments, but I'm getting unrealistic demands like dance on a Bhojpuri song or whatever. I can't. I really can't do that. But thank you so much, Kumar, Sonu, Omar, Rajiv, Irfan, Sohail, Tausif, Kishan. All of you all, thank you so much for joining in. This was my first stream on IPL. I hope you all liked it. And I had a great time speaking to all of you all. I will see you all again very, very soon. And yeah, I love you all. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.